Hi everyone, it's Tandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be playing the game Among Us with my subscribers. So without any further ado, let's get on with today's video. So if you have not heard of Among Us, basically it is a social deduction game that takes place in a space-themed setting where players take on one of two roles, most of them being crewmates, and a predetermined amount being imposters. And the goal of the game is for these crewmates to find out who these imposters are before it's too late. The game Among Us is completely free on the App Store, and to play it, I'm going to be using my 2020 iPad Air 4th generation. Okay, so right now I'm on my iPad and I'm going to create the game. I'm going to have a max of 10 people so that more subscribers can join, and I'm going to put 2 imposters just for some more fun. Okay, now I'm going to post the code on my community tab so my subscribers can join. So someone joined, so I'm just going to say hi in the chat because the game is private, so only my subscribers have the code, so I'm just gonna say hi. Okay, we got another person. Okay, so the server closed down on me due to inactivity because nobody was, we had only 2 people joining. So I made the game public so that more people can go ahead and hop in the game, just so we can get it going, you know. Okay, so right now we have 7 people in the game, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Okay, I'm a crewmate, y'all. I'm not fast, but it's okay. Not an electrical, there was a dead body electrical, y'all. People are leaving. People are really leaving. Darn it. There's drama in the chat. That's where the body was. They're accusing me of venting. Okay, I'm gonna vote for purple because they gotta go. Not Chris being the imposter. Okay, so right now I'm in the game with a subscriber, Chris. Shout out to Chris. Yeah, so I'm waiting for people to join. The game was on public, so there's a lot of my subscribers are in the game. I'm super excited. Shout out to Kristen, she's in the game. Okay, I'm actually just gonna start the game. I got a crewmate again. Okay, so I'm a crewmate. And let's start off with some tasks. Okay, red is low-key sus to me because the person who's in red keeps following me, but that just could be because they have the same tasks as me, of course. But 4, 1, 8. Oh, see, I was right, y'all. I was right. In this game, I'm a crewmate again, as we all know. I'm just shame. Reactor, start reactor. Okay, I absolutely do not like this task. I just have a short memory. Back and do it later. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right in front of electrical, in a hallway. In the hallway in front of electrical. Brown is low-key sus. Yeah, I think it's brown. So I'm gonna vote for brown. And if it's not brown, then I feel so bad. If you're watching this video and you're brown, I'm so sorry. Everyone's voted except for yellow, and the majority voted for brown. And if not them leaving the game already. I'm an imposter, y'all. I'm joking. But seriously, I'm on fire, as we all know. I'm joking by the way, but I could guess who it was. I'm just having a lot of good luck right now, but we'll see. I just want to be an imposter one time. I'm gonna stop playing once I've been the imposter at least one. Anyone Can I spell? Anyone near? I don't know. Who could it be? Because Loki thinking it was red, but red's left the game, so it can't be red. So I vote yellow than me. When someone says that, more often they're not. Girl, he was not an imposter. So it's most definitely blue. I should have voted for blue. Unless it's Kristen. Obviously that's it. It was Kristen and hummus. Y'all, I'm the imposter. Okay, let me not break the camera or break the microphone. But yeah, I am the imposter. Let's see who's my co-imposter. Oh, I think it might just be me. Already. Yay. Thank you so much. I love that a lot. Pink, if not me. No, it's me though. It's me though. Yeah, I'm just gonna vote for purple, even though it's me. But I don't want to look suspect. Okay, so no one was ejected. Okay, now I'm gonna just do imposter stuff. First of all, I'm gonna start off by getting rid of that purple because they seem to be like the person that has the most power in the game to like suss people out. So I'm going to get rid of purple. Why are we calling meetings like I'm not able to do anything? Yeah, I'm gonna just agree. You are following me and chasing me. Yeah, I could say that how that is sus even though I'm the imposter. Okay, this is all a joke. And I'm imposter for YouTube. Oh, so there's 2 YouTubers in the chat. Period. Okay, so it's literally just me, Banana, Simba, and Hank. Oh my gosh, I can't do anything. Okay, let's get back in. Okay, and this time it was yellow. Why is the speed so high? Honestly, I don't even know why. I like to have a fast-paced like Among Us game. So it's white. Proof. Where's the proof? Exactly, where's the proof? I feel so bad, I'm lying. Oh my gosh. It's white, trust me. That's not proof. That. Yeah. Yellow is sus. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna vote for yellow because all of a sudden yellow now wants to speak out. I feel so bad for lying to them. I really do. Oh, we're still playing. It's me. I'm just gonna say it. Sorry for lying. Somebody could take the ha 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 away from me because I just overuse it. Well, whatever he said was no proof. That's true. Okay, so I'm gonna vote for myself because they already know that it's me, so. And I like could have made it. And I didn't even do any imposter activities. Like, that is not fair. But it's okay. Unfortunately, you guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I want to give a big shout out to everyone who joined the game, especially Chris, Kristen, Simba, Henry, and all the other subscribers who were able to join today. Thank you all so much for making this video possible. See you next week. Bye!